Are you having trouble getting your connectors lined up right where you want them? Let's go over a few pointers here so you can get your wiring diagrams to be nice and straight. You can see that I have this wire in here. You see that the line jumps are turned on. If your wires aren't jumping, the first thing you have to do is go to the design tab up here, go to the connectors, and make sure that that's checked for show line jumps. So let's manipulate this connector and move it where we want. So I want to offset around these diamonds. I'm going to come down. There's an offset. But let's say I want to go between this diamond and this one. So I'm here, but I don't have another drag spot here. So I need some more drag points. In this case, hold the shift key. I can do a perfect offset like that, let go. Now I can bring this up where I want it, bring this over, and there's my offset. If you don't want to do a perfect straight offset, then you could hold the control key, grab a drag area, and you can do an angled offset. So however you want to align them when you're manipulating these connectors, you can add more drag areas by holding the shift key, or you can use a control key to angle the connector. Let's go up here. You see here that this fan proof switch looks like it's perfectly in line with this UI 15, but if you scroll all the way in, you can see that it's not. So I'm going to select that smart shape. I'm going to hit my down arrow, but you can see that I can't get it perfectly in line. So hold the shift key and you can make little micro movements, and then you can align it. The other thing you can do is left click, that selects the group, left click again, that drills down. So that's selecting that rectangle. Now hold the control key, select this smart shape, then you can align middle. Then you can get all your stuff to be perfectly in line. So we can do that again. I select that rectangle, hold the control key, select, align middle. Now we can get these lines perfectly straight. The last pointer I would point out is if you select this connector, and I'm trying to get it lined up with this common so they look nice and straight, what you need to do is as you drag over, then run your mouse up the line you want to be perfectly in line with and let go. Then it lines up the connector.